Sons of the Pioneers in our CFWE studios this afternoon. Tommy Nally, Ken Lattimore, Randy Rudd, Mark Abbott, and Justin Branham. Welcome, guys.
Hey, glad to be here.
So, you guys have been on the road now for how many days now?
5. We actually left home. We left home on the 29th, and we should get back home around the 14th or 15th. So it's been a great tour so far.
Tonight you're at Festival Place in Sherwood Park. You guys ever been to Edmonton before?
No, I haven't.
I haven't.
I have. Long time ago.
Right. All right, you guys brought some instruments. I would love to hear what Sons of the Pioneers sound live.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. Who cares about the clouds when we're together? Just sing a song and bring back sunny weather. Happy trails to you till we meet again.
I love that sound. That is Sons of the Pioneers. That is a little taste of the music you'll experience tonight at Festival Place in Sherwood Park. Tommy Nally had you on the show about 2 weeks ago, and you were telling us the story behind the group. Well, part of the new Sons of the Pioneers.
Well, it's been the same group for the last 82 years, Jeremy. It's just as one person is retired, we've replaced him, and we've kept the same arrangements and the same instrumentation for the last all this time, and we're trying to keep the tradition going, keep Western music alive.
And it is that classical country music that people still love.
Yes, sir. They'll hear the same harmonies that they've been hearing for ever since Roy Rogers started this group in 1934.
How cool is it to carry on the tradition of Mr. Rogers?
It's very rewarding. We just enjoy doing it, and the people love hearing it.
All right, before we let you go, guys, let's hear one more song.
All day I face the barren waste without the taste of Waterloo. Cool water. Old Dan and I, with throats burned dry and souls that cry for water. Cool, clear water. Keep a moving, Dan, don't you listen to him, Dan. He's a devil, not a man, and he spreads the burning sand with water. Dan, can you see that big green tree where the water's running free and it's waiting there for me and you? The shadows sway and seem to say, tonight we'll pray for water, cool water. And way up there, he'll hear our prayer and show us where there's water, cool, clear water.
Oh, it's going to be an awesome show tonight. Sons of the Pioneers at Sherwood Park's Festival Place. Tommy, Ken, Randy, Mark, and Justin, thanks a lot for stopping by, guys.
Thanks to you, Jeremy. Thank you.